Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the error code 0x80240024 when downloading store apps in the Windows 11 or Windows 10 operating system. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, and then kailangan lang natin i-type yung WS reset. Okay, and then next ay click mo lang to open. And then direct kagad tayo dito sa Microsoft Store mga kaibigan. So ma-open ito and then pwede na tayong mag-download. Okay, in case hindi pa rin naayos yung error, so pwede natin gawin ang next solution. So press lang natin ito. So dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer ay type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //flushdns. So one word yan. So type mo lang yung ipconfig //flushdns, one word, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Alright, and the next command keyword na enter natin ay kailangan lang natin i-enter ang netsh space winsock space reset. Ayan. So ito yung itatype natin ng command keyword na netsh space winsock and then space reset and then press mo lang yung enter. Ito makikita mo dito na successfully reset the winsock catalog. So you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, so close lang natin ito and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang error code 0x80240024 when downloading Microsoft Store app or Windows updates. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.